As you can already tell, I am on a very risky adventure, and that is to raise $16.35 to $500, right? And I don't know how long it's going to take me, but yes, something risky happened, and I feel like drawing your attention to it right now or updating you on it right away. Okay, so Monday was the day I started the whole challenge, right? So I took 3 trades on Monday, and what happened, you would not believe it. I was surprised myself, and at the point I gave up, like I almost gave up. Yeah, on that same Monday, I almost gave up on the challenge. I mean, I kind of almost blew the account, right? Even though I know that it is a risky adventure I am on, meaning I can easily blow the account, or I can quickly get to my target, which is the $500, right? But what happened was something I wasn't even expecting, right? My accounts, like, it's it's almost turned to ashes. It was burning heavily. Come on. I wasn't expecting anything like that. But anyway, it happened, right? So this is it. I took 3 trades on Monday. The first one I took, it ended up in a loss, right? I took it with 0.1 lot size, 0.1 lot size. It's a GBPUSD, right? That was the pair that I actually traded a whole Monday before the incident happened, right? So the first trade I took was 0.1 lot size, the second one was 0.5, the third one too was 0.5. The first trade actually went into a loss. So I had to just close it, right? The second one, I started that second one after a few minutes, right? So that one too went straight against me. And the third one, which was giving me some kind of joy, it was giving some good vibe, but at the end of the day, it just told me that no, bro, I don't belong here. I got to go my way. And it went against me. It followed the other friends of his. So yeah, it also went against me. And at the end of the day, I went from $16.35 to $5 and a few cents. You won't believe that. You can just take it like, I've blown the account already. Yeah, I have blown the account already. I wasn't expecting that. It just came out of the blue. And I was like, I asked myself actually, that is this challenge going to be fruitful actually? Is it going to work out, or I should just give up? But on a second thought, I feel like, nah, as far as I have something in the account, it means something can happen. So yeah, I'll have to continue trading that particular, amount of money in the account and using the same strategy I've been using. And more importantly, if I happen to lose or blow this account right now, I'm going to deposit another $16 into the account and make sure I do whatever I want to do to grow the account, right? So that is something that happened on my challenge, so I decided to update you on it, right? So this is Godsway, and if you are new over here, kindly go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more videos. Pleasure.